as you can see, there's a problem configuring the Windows updates. But there's also another problem. I could simply just use the Windows Vista installation recovery disk, but this laptop, it's had overheating problems, so apparently the heat has damaged the soldering for the connector for the laptop drive, so it no longer works with the optical drive. So what I've done, or what I'm going to do, is put this as an ISO image bootable on this USB. What we're going to need to do is take a Vista installation DVD and somehow get it onto this USB drive. We're going to use ImageBurn to do that. We're going to create an image from the disk, and then we're going to place it here. Okay. Vista. Once that's done, I'll come back. Okay, so our ISO is now created. I'm going to get my USB, plug it in. Okay, so I'm going to use a piece of software that I like to use to create bootable USB drives. It's called Universal USB Installer. So click Agree. Now we scroll down to the bottom, and it actually lists Windows. So we're going to do Vista Installer, browse to our ISO, Vista, open, and use D, double check that it's empty. Okay, so it's empty. You click Create. After we've created it, it's going to go through, extract all the stuff, and then I'll be back when that finishes. Oh, and also those who notice, I accidentally got the wrong program at first. I tried to use UNet bootin, which only works for Linux, so I swapped it out. So yeah, if you notice that. So I'll be back when this finishes. Okay, so it finished copying to the USB. We're going to click Close. Let's just double check that. Okay, here we are. So I'll just eject this. Then we'll just go and boot the computer. Okay, so it's booting up with the USB installed. Well, plugged in, that is. And, oops, hit BIOS instead. Exit. So we're going to hit F10 to get into the boot menu. Okay, so here we are in the boot menu. We're going to select, don't know if you can see that. Sorry for the quality of this, is basically just a handy cam. We're going to select USB hard drive. Actually, I'm going to see if I can get this closer to the camera. Okay, so it's loading the Windows install off of the USB. We're going to click Next. Well, actually, we're going to do repair your computer option. Press the scan for installations. It's found it, Windows Vista. Hit next. This could take some time while it runs the startup repair. So now it's going to ask, do we want to restore from system restore? I'm going to click cancel. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do cancel. Oh, or not. Eventually it's going to time out. Okay, so it eventually timed out. What we're going to click is the View Advanced Options for System Recovery and Support. We're going to go to Command Prompt. And then we're going to do okay, so I've selected the C drive. Now I'm going to run check disk. Okay, so I'm going to run check disk with the R flag, meaning repair, and giving the message check disk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Check disk may run if the volume is dismounted first. So I'm going to click yes to dismount the volume. So now it's checking the disk. I'll be back when it finishes. Okay, so many hours later, it's currently up to stage 5 of 5, and it's checking the 18,000th file out of 34,000 files. But it's only at 63%, so yeah. This could take a while. Okay, so it's at 99% now, and hopefully it fixes the problem. Let's just wait and see. Or it could be that the battery was low, so it kept on shutting down due to the fact that the battery is low. Or it could be completely a separate issue. As you can see here, It says it's added 2 bad clusters to the bad cluster file. It said it corrected errors, has made corrections. There was 8 kilobytes in bad sectors. And now I'm going to do exit, and then I'm going to do a shutdown. I'm going to pull the USB, press the power button, well, it's back at the stage of configuring update stage 3 of 3. I don't think the problem's been solved. I don't know. Okay, so I'm trying, under advanced boot options, I'm trying last known good configuration. I think it's to do with a corrupted Windows update, most likely. Hope this works. Okay, so I'm going to try safe mode with command prompt. Okay, well, we have a mouse cursor. It's probably just going to boot the Windows boot logo and then say configuring updates, and then it'll crash. Yep, so let's see, Windows, yeah, configuring. Oh wait, what's this? Okay. Last ditch, I'm going to try the repair your computer option. Okay, so I'm going to try to restore it to a restore point. The most recent one, 5/30/2013. It was just saying it cannot be interrupted and cannot be undone. So this could take some time.